Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. So, the parking space or the parking lot, malayo sa garden. So, we need to walk. And it's really good. Nakita niyo naman, nandito kami sa bridge. Nandito na kami sa Kurakun o Karakun Garden. Napakaluwang, napakalawak, at napapalibutan siya ng mga cherry blossom trees. At this time, tapos na ang season ng cherry blossom, so what we had are all greens. And just the same, it's still beautiful. Take a photo here.
Ang ganda oh. Video mo yun.
During spring, pagpanahon ng sakura, ito yun. Parang ganito. Let's focus. Yan. Parang ganyan. But this time of the year, no flowers at all. The place is really peaceful and beautiful. Napakaganda, tahimik, and you will realize na in every season may different charm ang lugar na ito. Pag summer, walang mga bulaklak, pero ang mga punong-puno ng green leaves, buhay na buhay. It's really vibrant. And pag naman panahon ng sakura, punong-puno naman ang mga bulaklak. And these tall trees, napakaganda niyan tingnan. Parang mo naglalakad ka under the trees na wala kang problema. That's the way I feel it. I'm just wondering, pag panahon ng taglagas, autumn, siguro napakaganda lalo ng lugar na ito. With different color ng leaves. At yung mga leaves na bumabagsak sa daan, sa road na patong-patong, iba't ibang kulay. Siguro, napakaganda. I hope one day, I will come back here during autumn o panahon ng taglagas. I'm glad, I'm happy na pumunta kami sa lugar na ito at this time. Yung kaya pang maglakad, yung kaya pang mag-akyat, panaog sa mga hagdan tulad nito. At this time ng life ng lolo at ng lola Miray, we try to travel more hanggat kaya pang maglakad. There. So, they went down. But I think going up is the problem for me and Lolo. So, we decided not to push through. Only Bunso will go there and take a photo. So, for me and Dad, we go up and take a rest while waiting for them to climb up. Going down is easier, but going up is a lot harder. So, move back. Omotemon Gate, 170 meters. Ubonte, 140 meters.
Kan yo akhir alang ka.
Yung pula.
Pakabuti tayo tao. Tayo pakabuti tumasok. The Palawan cherry blossom. Dapat putulin ganyan.
We will.
Ngayon ganda oh.
Pinutan na natin yung nung bagyo, di ba?
Mataas magkaputol eh.
We will again. So dito, kung under ka dito, tapos there are lots of flowers on the top. It's really nice. There, oh. Wow. And then walking here, I can just imagine walking here with cherry blossoms or the sakura flowers under these trees. Really, really nice. But now we just enjoy the breeze, the leaves, the green leaves. And it's fine. That means everything has its own time, has its own season. Toilet muna, Lola. Now ay pabalik na kami sa tour bus. Maybe 15 minutes walk or more. Malayo-layo din. Pero hindi ka mainip kasi napakaganda ng paligid. Napakaganda ng mga tanawin. And there is some peacefulness in my heart. Sa mga lolo, mga lola, mga nanay, mga tatay, mga kapatid at kaibigan, hanggang sa muli. Salamat sa pagsama sa lolo, sa lola at kay bunso sa aming paglalakbay dito sa Japan. So ingat-ingat everyone. Take care and